This is the current status of my microwave. It is looking like too much dirty with the food particles. You can see inside. So I just need to clean it. So for cleaning, I'm using some white vinegar, and this is distilled vinegar, and water. I mixed it 50-50, and I took it in a bowl. Now I'll put it inside the microwave. Now I'll switch it on for about 8 to 10 minutes is okay. Now let us wait this 8 minutes and come back again to check what happened. I find after 4 minutes it just burst inside and messed inside my oven. So you need to be careful when you are cleaning with this for using a long time. So now I will use some tissue paper towels or cloth towel to clean this inside. Now you can see I have cleaned it up with this cloth towel with this vinegar and water, and I find it has been cleaned this much, but for complete removal of the stain, this yellow color, I need to do some final cleanup. So in that case I'll use the dishwasher soap and I'll clean this towel. So let me see how much I can do with that. Now I'm cleaning with this dishwasher soap, this liquid, with this paper towel, and I find it is working nicely. The yellowish stains are going off. The cleaning is finished now. You can see the inside. It is looking much more neat and clean. Only there are few stains are there still. I could not do anything with them. You can see inside, and this is the door. I'll put the plate back inside. I need to tell you that this plate does not belong to this oven. The previous plate I have removed. I put a new one. So this is all. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.